Well, I first met Sona in Baby and Me class before we ever came here, and so I first knew her as a mom, and she very much brings her mom self to her job, and so she's always very patient with the kids. She expects them to need to tell her stories or not cooperate, and she's excited for them when they do well. Even it took my daughter a really long time to do well, but she was excited for her and never lost her patience. So she's approaches the job as a mom, and I really appreciate that. You know, they ask questions, they have conversations with her, they comment on what she's wearing or what she's doing, and you know, they make her feel like she is being treated, you know, as a real person in the room, and she likes that because she needs lots of attention, so it's good for her. My daughter is prone to falling and hitting her teeth on things, and so she's kept an eye on the chips, and I helped us treat a tooth that was knocked loose, but thankfully didn't fall out, and so she understands that my daughter's rough on her mouth, and it helps us get through that, so we really appreciate that. Well, she offers a lot of options, and so it's not one of those things where we have to come in, we have to sit in a certain place, we have to do it a certain way. If it's not working, we just change it and we try a different way, and if I have a suggestion, she's happy to try my suggestion. I usually email her ahead of time, not now thankfully because things are going better, but when things were stressful, you know, these are some things that are interesting to her right now that you could ask her about to make her feel more comfortable, to get her distracted, and of course there's the TV, so now that she really likes TV, that helps too. I think now my pitch would be, you know, you don't even have to trust me. Like the last person I referred came back to me on her own and told me how much she liked it, how glad she was that I told her about it, that, you know, it was perfect, it was exactly what they were looking for. And so, you know, I think that's the best thing I can say, is that people really like it here. Not just me, but other people that I send here, so you should come too.